Okay, quadratic formula. So remember quadratic formula, the formula you're going to have on the test is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So remember it's ax squared in standard form plus bx plus c. So I know a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to negative 16. So when I plug in, x is going to equal negative of 4 plus or minus, and I'm doing the parentheses here to catch the double negative. And parentheses here, so remember it's going to always come out positive. Okay, minus 4 times 1 times negative 16 all over 2 times 1. Now I'm grabbing my calculator, okay, and I'm going to just type in the 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 16. So 4 squared times 4 times 1 times negative 16. And this is 4 squared minus, oh, we typed and got rid of them where we wanted to. 4 squared minus 4 times 1. So that inside the parentheses is just equal to 80. So it says negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 80 over 2. And I'm going to simplify radical 80. So I'm going to come over on the side, and I'm going to break down 80. So I know that 80 simplifies to 2 and 40. This is 4 and 10. And this is 2 2's, a 2 and a 5. So there's 4 2's and a 5. So this is going to become 2, 2, 2, 2, and a 5. And remember, we're really doing times here, okay? And so I'm circling my pairs of numbers. So square root is doubles. So remember, the twins got out, one survived. So it's a 2, and a 5. And so this is 4 times the square root of 5. So I'm going to bring that back in to my problem now. And x is equal to negative 4 plus or minus 4 square root of 5 over 2. Remember, we can separate the fraction. So negative 4 over 2 plus or minus 4 radical 5 over 2. And I can reduce the 2's by the coefficients here. So negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. And then we get the same thing. We get 2 radical 5 here. And this is simplest radical form. Okay? Those are my two answers, and I'm good to go. That's page 1, guys. So I'll finish the video for the next couple pages in a second. I'm going to try to figure out how to stop the recording, which is a good time. And we'll go from there.